How to redeem Shake Shack rewards for free menu items. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want free Shake Shack menu items, well here is how to redeem your rewards point online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once you're inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply log in with your rewards account and here make sure that your points balance is visible. And with that you can just add your favorite menu items to your cart like burgers, fries, shakes or any eligible items. And there at the checkout, you simply have to look for the redeem rewards option and select how many points you want to use towards your order. And there the discount from your points will apply instantly, reducing the total and covering the full item cost. And with that, just a pro tip is that you can check which items are eligible because some are seasonal or special items and they may not be redeemable at the Shake Shack website. And that's it. Enjoying your free Shack items is easy on the Shake Shack. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.